Michelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another 3 Glam Fall projects. I'm taking 3 items and giving them a glam touch. I hope you enjoy. I started with this pumpkin. It was originally orange and I took it outside and sprayed it in my favourite blush candy pink by Rust-Oleum. Once it was dry, I wanted to decorate the stem, and taking this gold dust glitter by Jo Sonia, I got a brush and I painted the stem. The thing I love about this glitter paint is it's glue and glitter in one. So it was just a case of just going over quite a few times until I got the desired effect. Once it was complete, I then wanted to decorate my pumpkin. So I took some of these foam flowers that I picked up from eBay and I wanted to give them a little bit of a glitter touch. So taking that glitter again, I just added little decorative touches around the outside of each rose. I repeated the same steps to all of my roses, and I love how it gave such a glittery touch. Now with the white roses, I chose to add some Mod Podge to the petals because I added some silver glitter this time. Once my roses were complete and dry, it was now time to decorate my pumpkin. I started with these dollar store gold glitter stickers and I randomly added them around my pumpkin. I then wanted to add my pretty flowers, so off camera I hot glued them in place in a random order. I also wanted to add some sparkly leaves to my pumpkin, so I took these dollar store leaves, added some Mod Podge and my favourite silver and gold glitter. Off camera guys, I also sprayed them with some hairspray to secure the glitter in place. Once they were dry, I then hot glued them around my pumpkin and I did them alternatively, so one gold, one silver. Guys, I absolutely adore this little pumpkin. It was so much fun to create. I was inspired recently by a beautiful pumpkin going around overseas. It has my 3 favourite things: polka dots, pink and flowers. And I thought I'd have a little go at making it myself. My next DIY, guys, is a really simple one. I took this candle holder, which is from my local dollar store, and I had a cute fall idea for it. Taking some more of those glitter leaves, I made a stack of gold ones as well as silver. And off camera, guys, I hot glued them randomly around the candle holder. I then simply added a decorative glitter battery operated candle that I got from my local dollar store and I placed it inside. This was a super easy little DIY, but I loved how it had those little fall decorative pieces as well as the glam effect I was aiming for. I absolutely love to decorate with blush pink, and I love filming different styles and ideas for you, and my little baby Bella always likes to assist. she's always following me around, guys, and always wants to see what I'm filming. I think secretly she thinks there's some sort of treat surrounding all my sparkly creations. Guys, doing DIY projects and giving them a glam touch can be so much fun. It doesn't have to be expensive and it can be super easy. I shopped my home for that little candle holder as well as this pumpkin, which was originally orange. I love how I took some dollar store items and I was able to give a cozy atmosphere to something so simple. Now again, using inexpensive items, I recently picked up these 2 pumpkin cushions off eBay. I loved them, but I thought they needed a little bit of a glam factor. So taking my Mod Podge and a brush, I added strokes to the lines of the pumpkins. And then added my favourite silver glitter. Now guys, a handy tip here. Shell forgot to put cardboard in between her cushion. And guess what? At the end of the project, I discovered I'd glued my cushion together. It was an easy fix, guys, but I'd recommend definitely adding a little bit of cardboard before you start adding the Mod Podge. Now I also wanted to make some little bows for my pumpkins. So taking this dollar store ribbon, I simply twisted it into the middle and took some floral wire and secured it in place. I then hot glued it in place, and I also wanted to add a bit of bling. So I took this decorative rhinestone from the dollar store and I hot glued it to the centre of the bow. I then repeated the same steps to the second pumpkin cushion. And here are my decorative sparkly silver pumpkin cushions. Now guys, I love my sparkly cushions, but I have to say, off camera I made sure I sprayed them repeatedly with hairspray, purely because working with glitter can get quite messy, and I wanted it to stay nice and secure. I love that my simple little pumpkin cushions took on a whole new sparkly life just by adding some Mod Podge, some glitter and a little bow. Guys, this was such a simple DIY again. I loved that I was able to take something that was completely inexpensive and give it the glam look that I was aiming for. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below which of these DIYs you might have a go at this weekend. I love fall, guys, and I absolutely love fall decorating, and I love to share with you how I give my items a glam touch. If you'd like to purchase these cushions off eBay, guys, I'll leave a link to that store down below. Don't don't forget guys to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. So until next time my friends, I send you love and hugs from me and Miss Bella, and I'll see yous all in my next video. Bye guys.